Today, we want to treat arithmetics. Now, where we'll focus on arithmetic is mean, median, and the mode. Okay, now let's first of all treat mean. The mean can be called the average. Or you can call it arithmetic mean. So, mean is the sum. The formula for mean is sum of the quantities. Sum of quantities divided by the number of quantities. Supposing I have a series of number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this series of number, we have the sum of the quantities is 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is the sum of the quantities, which is equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 9, 14, 20. That is, the sum is 20. Now, this is the sum. Now, we look for the number of quantities. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4. This is the average, and this is the mean of the number. So, okay, now we are done with this. Once you have a series of number, sum it up and count how many quantity is that number is. You can now use the quantities and divide the sum. You are done. Okay, let's go to median. Yeah, median, which is number 2. Median. Median is simply the middle number in a set of numbers. A set of numbers. Median is the middle number in a set of numbers, but you have to arrange the number. Supposing we have something like 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. So you can't just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, median occurs in 2 terms. Like if the number of quantities is even, that means you collect the 2 middle number and divide it by 2. But if it is odd, that means we have a center number. You collect the center number as the median. Now, but first of all, you don't just say, okay, the quantities of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't just say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You collect this one and divide it by 2. No. What you do is you arrange it. Starting either you start from the biggest to the smallest or from the smallest to the biggest. Now we are going to do from the smallest to the biggest, which is 1, 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are looking for the median. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the center, we are having 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which is from here, leaving us with this. So the median will be 4 plus 5. We divide it by 2 because this number is the quantities is even. So we have to divide it. We are working on 2 numbers, which is 4 and half. But the other way around, if we have something like this, that means the quantity is odd. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to first of all arrange it. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which is this. Here. Our median becomes 5. That's for median. Now let's treat mode. The number 3, which is mode. The mode is the highest in occurrence or the most popular. Okay. Now, if you have something like 2, 2, 0, now if we are asked to find the mode here, you just need to, let's start from the 0 is how many here? 0 is 1, 2 is how many? 2 is 1, 2, okay, sorry. 1 is how many? 1 is 1, 2, 3. 1 is 3. So 2 is how many? 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what again? What another number? 3. 3 is how many? 3 is 1, 2, 3. 3 is 3 number. 4 is how many? 4 is just 1. Just 1. So what again do we have here? We have 6. 6 is how many? 6 is 1. 7 is how many? 7 is 1. What's the answer? The highest in occurrence. Considering this, we have 2 occurred up to 6 times.